Hi everybody, we are going to make this beautiful mini butterflies. We are folding a paper like this and again cut it from its corners. We are going to make the wings of the butterfly now. Again put it inside and look, it is ready. Look at this beautiful butterfly ring. Let's make it. We are taking a printed paper here. You can also take a normal craft paper in place of this. Fold it from its corners and again fold it into half and repeat the process like this. And we are going to make a small strip by folding it from its corners like this. Now open it and look, your butterfly is ready. We are going to tug it inside and look, it is ready. We are going to make this beautiful rose bouquet. Cut a red strip of paper. Now we are going to fold it like this and repeat the process of twisting and rolling the paper and you will get a beautiful rose flower like this. After that we are going to secure the end like we are doing here by pasting it and look, it is ready. We are going to make more such rose flowers and put them inside the cone and look, it is ready. We are going to fold this square craft paper and make a triangular shape like this. Again flip it and fold it like we are doing here from its bottom side and do the same from other side like this. After this we are going to tuck the ends like this and look, it is almost ready. Do the same from other side. Now gently open the center portion and look, your boat is ready. Look at this cute little sword. Let's make it. We are going to fold a printed paper here. You can also take a craft paper in place of this. Open it and again fold it from its bottom side like this. Now we are going to fold it into half and we are making the handle of the sword like this. Make small folds like this and look, it is ready now. After this we are going to make the cover of the sword by folding the paper around it like this and look, it is ready. You can also paste a frill at the end. Thank you so much for watching this video.